Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you how this scrub is made to have yourself a beautiful, brightening, nice exfoliate skin. You know, you need this. It's for men, women, everybody. Your skin will be nice, brighter, shinier, you know, good looking. So let's get into the video right now. So you probably already have this in your home or kitchen already. Very, very simple ingredients, you know, for women, men. Let's go. First ingredient, raw sugar. You can use regular sugar if you like, but personally I prefer this raw original cane sugar. All right, this is 1/3 of a cup. Okay, you can make more than that, you know, it really depends how many people are going to use it. Okay, next we have our very own coffee, 100% Colombian coffee. You don't have to use my Colombia dark roast coffee. Any coffee you have, please use it for your beautiful, beautiful skin. I'm putting equal amount of everything. Okay, 1/3 of a cup. Please, after using this just one time, come back please and write in the comment section how you feel, how your skin, you know, you will be proud because it will be so smooth, so silky, so beautiful, so everything good you can imagine. All right, all the dead skin will be off your skin for sure. Next, I'm going to put this olive oil. It's not just for cooking, it's for skin, it's for so many good stuff we use olive oil for. All right, if you have almond oil, coconut oil, go ahead and use it also. Next, guys, I'm going to use lemon. If you have lime, you can also use it. You can use a whole lime or half. You know, it depends on your skin. Some people have very sensitive, some people, they have very sensitive skin. So I will say this is optional. If you want to use it, you can. If not, don't use it. Also, when you are using this, be careful. You should take your time and exfoliate your skin very smoothly, very slowly, very gentle, very nice, very respectful according to your skin. All right, so let's go and cut the lime. Also, friends, you can use this on your face. Like I say, it depends what type of skin you have. Okay, you want to use it and just go easy. Let's go ahead and press the whole thing in it. Okay, this is half. Okay, now we're going to mix all things together. About it. So let's mix everything together. And this scrub you can use once a week, just one time a week, no more than that. All right, look at it. Look at my skin before I even begin to scrub. Look at it, so beautiful, so
Unique Corey. Unique Corey. Unique Corey. Unique Corey.
Here we go. What I do usually is when you are ready to take a shower, when I'm ready to take a shower, I put it all over my body. I wait around 5 minutes. You have to wait in order for all the things, all the dead skin to come out, all the dead cells. So after that, you just head in the shower and take a good shower. After that, you will have a smooth, brightening, everything good, like I said. Okay, this is it. Once a week. Thank me later. Please share this wonderful, informative video for your family, your loved one, your colleagues, your friends, your mom, etc., etc. And like this beautiful video also. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching.